Installation instructions, Model 1231 Fresh Air Screens.
Installation of your new Fresh Air screen is quick and easy. Everything you need to install your screen is right in the box. Depending on the height of the opening, you may need a small stepladder. Complete and detailed instructions are on the back of the box. Each kit contains enough hoop and loop material for the size opening indicated on the box and a complete Fresh Air screen. Begin installation by removing the backing from the hoop and loop material and applying the hoop and loop to the sides of the opening. Align the material on the outer edge of the doorstop or weather stripping. Repeat this step for the header or the top of the opening. Starting on the other corner of the header, attach the Fresh Air screen to the hoop and loop material. Continue on each side. The Fresh Air screen is warranted to be free of manufacturer material defects for a period of 1 year from the date of purchase. Easy access zippers are located on either side of the Fresh Air screen. Optional 3/4 inch tubing can be inserted for additional weight at the bottom of the Fresh Air screen. The Fresh Air screen can be easily rolled up for storage and allow full access to your garage.